Factors that affect the business environment by Group 1.
There are many factors that affect the business environment. In our report, we are going to discuss about these different factors. First, natural resources. Natural resources are at the beginning of every supply chain. Their development is essential to the production of energy, consumers, goods, and food. This means that there are high stakes involved in their use. Development and depletion. Business environment is affected by natural resources available in our country, including land, quality of soil, mineral wealth, water resources, vegetation, formation of surface, and climate. Second, human resources. Human resource is an important determining factors for business environment. A country having human resources, healthy, intelligent, efficient, trained, and adequate, then a rapid economic development is possible.
And the number three is the economic policies. Business environment is also affected by economic policies of government. The industrial policy, licensing policy, monetary policy, and the fiscal policy. Agricultural policy, price policy, labor policy, and employment policy all have impact on economic industrial development. If these policies are effective, suitable, strong, and progressive development of industries and trade is quite sure. Number four, economic conditions. Economic conditions refer to the state of macroeconomic variables and trends in a country at a point in time. Such conditions may include GDP growth potential, the unemployment rate, inflation, and fiscal and monetary policy orientations. The economic conditions of any country will determine the business environment of that country. If the economic condition is good, it may be said that the economic environment is good, otherwise it is bad.
Another is the monetary and fiscal policies. The monetary policies controls the volume of the currency and credit in the country to achieve the desired objectives. During the period of boom, economic stability is sustained by controlling inflation through reducing the volume of money and credit. On the contrary, during periods of depression, momentum of economic development is speed up by increasing the volume of money and credit. Fiscal policy, on the other hand, is the use of government spending and taxation to influence the economy. Governments typically use fiscal policy to promote the strong and sustainable growth and reduce poverty. The fiscal policy plays a vital role to raise income and various taxes, which is spent for developmental activities by the government.
The next one is the occupational distribution. Occupational distribution refers to the value of population of any particular country engaged in various activities of production. The classification of the working population into different types of work they engage. Next one is the social cultural factors. The buying and consumption habits of the people, their language, beliefs, and values, customs and traditions, tastes and references, education are all factors that affect the business environment.
Next, number 8, capital formation and investment. Capital formation is an important factor of business environment. Rate of capital formation, development of capital market, and availability of investments in the country directly affect the business environment. And number 9, and the last factor, population. Overpopulation as well as underpopulation adversely affects the business environment. There is a close relationship between the population and the economic development of our country. So that is the end of our presentation, and thanks for watching.